I see that. What do you call the thing? It was after everybody was standing in line to get one, and
oh, PlayStation 3 or something?
Hmm?
Is it a camera or what?
It's a I don't know what it is, camera and all kind of junk mixed together. It said something like a telephone camera mixed together with some iPod.
Oh, iPod.
Yep. That's what I thought that is. Is that what that is?
Nope.
Something like it, huh?
Nope. Nothing like it.
No, about that.
You look so cute. This is my friend, Soupy Campbell. Robert Lee Campbell.
You tell him about that.
Tell him how old you are, Robert Lee Campbell.
Here's my...
Oh, the dog. Oh, he's spilled. I use the baby voice. When I use the baby voice, he thinks I want him. And this is my other friend. This is Zeke.
Oh, Zeke.
Come on, get down, babe. Okay. Robert Campbell is how old? 81? 81 years old. You wouldn't know. Look at him. He's still got a baby face.